I found the Advanced Dentistry of Mohegan Lake and Dr. George. And I started watching infomercials, testimonials, reading dozens of testimonials, and I said, this is where I want to go. This is the guy. With the factor of years of sports and accidents, taking various shots in the jaw, loosening teeth up many times before, not losing them, but loosening them, pushing them around a lot. But unfortunately, it appears because of my sisters and stuff that the bone loss issues were hereditary. So despite how much you brush and floss and whatever, it was discouraging because problems are still occurring.
Paul came in with failing teeth. He had gaps in his smile. He wasn't able to smile confidently. He wasn't able to eat well. It was affecting his overall health. It was affecting how he felt about himself. He said, I always took care of my family first. Now I'm at the point where I have to take care of myself for me to continue to be able to take care of my family.
Everybody here has been very professional, very caring and concerning. Any questions that I've had along the way, they've answered them 100%. And just the professionalism here is phenomenal, you know. Everybody does what they're supposed to do above and beyond.
He had a procedure called All-on-X done, which is a non-removable fixed smile that is supported by implants. He's able to smile, he's able to chew, he's able to function very well, and he's back to smiling Paul, taking care of his family.
Smile is a beautiful thing, you know. When I come anywhere and meet someone new or someone I know, and I know many people that greet you with a smile, it just makes it a lot easier going for whatever you're doing. Whether it's social, business, sometimes a smile can go a long way. If your smile is not so good, you know, that can psychologically affect you or the people you're talking to as well. And I've been there. I've seen it. I felt it. So a smile to me now means the difference between night and day. Socializing, if you're happy to laugh, I think laughing is great. But if you're laughing and scaring people when you do it, that's not so great. So it's, I feel good, you know, when something good happens to me and I'm happy about the end result, I want to tell people about it. And people have asked me already, who did this? What happened? How did you do that? And I tell them, Dr. George, Advanced Dentistry of Mohegan Lake.